Here's a trade today on the ES for Renko on Black Friday, 11/25/2011. I didn't expect much today, but it turned out to be an excellent trading day, and so there were really two trades of the day today. The first trade occurred within the first 4 minutes of the market opening, which was right here. I went long on this bar as the swing cycle VB started moving up and crossed over the variable band on the next bar, and you can see the DMI differential indicator line was crossing up through the zero line, and the dots had turned green right where I took the trade. And also there was a cross of the linear regression slope in the R squared, and that's usually a fairly significant area. Also, the Bollinger Band differential oscillator was just about to cross above its zero line right in there. So I exited the trade up here, and it was for a 7-point trade, and you can see before I took the trade there was a squeeze that was just ending, and when I got out of the trade there was another squeeze that was just beginning here, and also the DIX had turned red and was moving down. So this was a good place to take profits right here. Now here's the second trade of the day today, and I entered this short trade on this bar right here just as this squeeze was ending right in through here, and the swing cycle VB had flatlined right in through here. Also the DMI differential was red and moving down below its zero line, which were red dots right in through here, and the R squared and LRS indicators crossed here. Now when these two indicators cross, depending on the direction of the cross, that is very often a good indication of a trade is either beginning or ending right at that point. Also the Bollinger Band differential oscillator had turned red right in here and was moving down and just about to cross below its zero line, which indicates a downtrend of the equity. So I stayed in this trade in through here, even though there was some noise right in here, no real change of direction. The swing cycle VB crossed above the variable band, and however it still stayed primarily red and yellow, which is always a questionable up move. It did turn green right at the very end of this up move right in here, but I stayed in the trade because the DMI differential stayed red and stayed below its zero line, even though there were 4 green dots appeared right in here. The swing cycle VB then moved down below its variable band, and the down move resumed. Incidentally, I felt that probably the yesterday's close, which are these purple dots here, added some support to the equity as it came down here and bounced off a little bit, came down again, bounced off a little bit again, and then moved back down in through here. And I got out of the trade on this bar here right before the market ended right here, and of course the market closed early today, which was in the morning still on the West Coast, and this was a short trade for a total of 13 points. Previous trade had been 7 points, so it was a grand total of 20 points for the day. If you'd like to learn more about these indicators, please visit my website at NinjaIndicators, the number 4, the letter U.com.